In the beginning, there was Africa. Before the desert, there were cities. Before the Pharaohs, there was Ta-Seti. Before the world looked to Greece, the world looked to Africa. What was not destroyed was hidden, and for centuries it lay forgotten. But memory cannot be killed. Africa did not follow the world. Africa led it. The truth is rising,
Africa was never behind.
Africa was the beginning. It was the cradle of our humanity. It was the birthplace of our greatest ideas. And now, the truth returns.